to be one Ram Naam. And if you are taking, uttering or chanting the name of Ram 3 times, then it will be equal to one Krishna. I am not telling. I am not the authority of telling all this. Vyas is the authority. Sukadeva Goswami is the authority. They are telling. So I am telling their things. So Krishna is supposed to be the original of all Bhagavata. So all beauty, all everything, love and affection comes in Krishna. But Krishna, what Krishna is doing? What he is doing? Always uttering one's name. Huh? What Krishna is doing? 3 times taking bath in Radha Kunda. Only one cloth here. Like prayers, tears in eyes, melting hearted. O Srimati Radhike, Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. If you are not pleased, then I can give up my life. You are my life and soul. So you can decide what name is more superior. What name? Radhe. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. 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 Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Third persons. This kirtan Srimati Radhika is not doing, Krishna himself is not doing. Because Krishna will not tell that Radha Ramana Hari Bol. So devotees are telling this. Then what will Krishna, he will be happy to hear and what to sing himself. Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe 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 But see, Radhe and Krishna both descended to this world in the shape of Sachinandan Gaurhari. So better for us to do what? Nitai Gauranga Jai. नाम श्रेष्ठम मनुमपि शचीपुत्रमत्र स्वरूपम रूपम तस्याग्रजिपुरीं माधुरीं गोष्ठवाटिं राधा कुंडम गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवासं प्राप्तो यस्य प्रथित कृपया श्री गुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि भक्त्या विहीना अपराध लक्ष्यै क्षिप्तास्य कामादि तरंग मध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्. We were, first of all, my koti dandot pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Shri Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshava Goswami Maharaj, and my Shiksha Guru Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, to all my Guru Parampara, all. We were discussing about Manas Shiksha, and Srila Raghunath Das Goswami is giving some advice to his wicked mind. We should try to do same like Raghunath Das Goswami told. Do you know who is the best Kirtaniya at the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Can you tell the name? Namacharya?
Haridas.
Yeah. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him this title, Namacharya Haridas Thakur. Why? There are so many Mukunda Datta,
Vasudev
Ghosh,
Bakreshwar Pandit, Murari Gupta,
all so best Kirtaniya. But why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this special name to
Haridas Thakur?
And you know also, there is best Kirtaniya in whole world. Who? Sukadev Goswami. He is but Sukadev Goswami. Why? Why he is? When he was reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, he used any instrument, anything. If anyone has no so much love and affection, he is reciting or doing kirtan and he is uttering Krishna name. But if Nainang galadashudharaya badanang gadagadarudhaya gira pulikarnichitang papuha kada tavanam grani bhavishyati. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself telling, oh, I have no smell of gandha, prem, nothing. When a day will come that I will chant and do kirtan, Krishna kirtan, and my eyes will flow like rivers. Heart will be melting. If tears are coming but no heart melting, then nothing. Only this will not do. If heart is melting, how it will melt? How it will melt? Can you say how it will melt? If it is so much separation for Krishna, or if it is so much meeting,
Close.
at once if Jashoda Maya see Krishna and takes in his lap, at once began to weep. Why? She cannot check his joy, his happiness. So his joy coming from heart, melting heart, and coming like tears. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, why he is weeping? Oh Krishna, Brajandanandan, where you are? I am dying, my heart is
Breaking.
breaking. Please come on and give me darshan. And he is weeping so much. That if there is love and affection in any devotee, and he is chanting and remembering, doing kirtan, then Krishna will hear, or otherwise he will not hear. So we should try to be a very bona fide devotee like that. chanting Hari name and tears will come. Hearts to be melted. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will hear, or Nityananda Prabhu or Radha Krishna will hear. So we should be first devotee. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Haridas Thakur, Tumi Namer Acharya and Achar also there
আচার
is.
প্রচার নামের করহ দুই কার্য তুমি
Achar Prachar Namer Dui
করহ দুই কার্য তুমি
You are doing
গুরু জগতের আর্য
all the following the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and following the principles of Bhakti, Prema Bhakti even. Right? And chanting how much? Day and night. Right? About 3 lakhs daily Hari name. Following all the rules and regulations, everything. And like Raghunath Das Goswami in his boyhood, he was in the association of Haridas Thakur, and that is why he quickly came like that. So we should try to be like that. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will hear. Otherwise, I remember one thing when I joined Mutt, and I was initiated by my Gurudev. And at that time I was in white dress, and about 15,000 of devotees from all over India were doing parikrama in the guidance of my Gurudev. And very, very famous Mardanga Vadak and very, very famous
কীর্তনিয়া
Kirtaniya. They used to take for 1 hour about 5,000 rupees in India. And so lovely their kirtan and mardang. At the they tan and they used to
জাম্প
jump here.
12 feet
Only telling and how much they were so beautiful singing, but they were not given Harinam or
Initiated.
not initiated. When they began to sing, all this
পিন ড্রপ সাইলেন্স
wind of silent one. At once Gurudev Maharaj, oh stop that kirtan. That kirtan is not kirtan. Oh, Narayan Maharaj, you should, at that,
Go,
that time
Narayan.
I've gone,
Go,
oh,
Narayan.
you should go. So, you should all follow and try to know all these things. Avaishno mukhad girinam putam hari kathamritam saranam naiva kartavyam. So you should try to very, very qualified devotees. Very qualified. In Midnapur in Bengal, I know there are so many of first class of kirtan. I want that you should all be like very chaste, very qualified, having all the qualities. Try to develop your Krishna consciousness. What Swamiji has come to do. I know that he was the best kirtaniya in his time. Swamiji himself. No? When he used to sing on harmonium, Gauranga bolite habe pulaka sharira Hari Hari bolite na yane babanira. Best kirtaniya in the whole world. His kirtan went in so many worlds and worlds. So we should try to follow him. If you are following, then you are good kirtaniya.